Today we are taking a look at a 5-minute gold scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I have been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader and give you access to our private indicators, as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. Alright, as I said, today we are taking a look at a 5-minute gold scalping strategy. In the source video that I got this from, they said that they used ChatGPT to create this strategy. I've played around with ChatGPT a little. It's rather hard, rather restricted on what it gives you, the answers it gives you, and the information it tells you when it comes to strategies and stuff like that. In the original video, it claimed that it was able to do 19,000% gains using this particular strategy. I'm not really sure where they came up with that number, but that was the claim that they made, one of the most profitable strategies that they've used, according to the source video. The strategy itself consists of the engulfing candles indicator, an EMA, so an exponential moving average, and the money flow index multi-time frame plus alerts. We'll go ahead and go over the numbers to see if the strategy is even worth going over, and then we'll go from there. So we did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we did 17 winning trades. We did 33 losing trades. Now, the strategy said that we should do a 1 to 2 risk reward. And so if we were on the winning side, looking to gain $200 per trade just for easy math, then we would have a total of $3,400 out of those 17 winning trades. If we were risking $100 per trade, again, easy math, then out of those 33 losing trades, we had a loss of $3,300, puts us at a total gain of $100 after it's all said and done. Hardly the 19,000% gain that it claimed in the original source video. So, like I said, ChatGPT is cool, it's interesting, but a little bit challenging to use, especially when it comes to strategies and indicators. So if you're looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the video at the end of this one. It'll pop up a little thumbnail at the end of this video that you can click on and watch that video there. It outlines the strategy that we have created here on the channel. It's a profitable trading strategy. We trade it every single week and have been back testing it on multiple different markets and so on, constantly optimizing and improving. It's really great strategy. Highly recommend you check that out. All right, that's it for this video. We're going to cut it here and move on to the next video from here.